Good morning, everybody. We're here at the Longhorn Classic. It is Sunday morning, September 29th. As you can see, it's bath day. We got the birds locked up Saturdays and Sundays right now, dove season. It's a nice brisk morning, so it's probably safe to say there's going to be some dove hunting this weekend. So that's why we kept them locked up. The weather's been very nice the last week. This next week, still loft flying, exercising, and next week we start going down the road with them. Here's a look at the bath pans after they've taken a bath. You see all the bloom in there. So you know they're taking a bath and they're feeling good and they're healthy. They got a lot of bloom on them. Here's the birds eating. After they're done eating, we'll do a little walkthrough. We'll do a live on Facebook. So everybody can see birds sitting on the perch. See how they're just about all molted out. There might be a few here and there that are still a little bit around the neck. But for the most part, the birds are looking really good, slicked down, ready to start training. We had the birds out in the aviary this morning, giving them a bath. We've had the Cooper come by a few times, but that's why we give them a bath in the aviary, so it might scare them a little, but can't do any damage. We did have them come by earlier in the week. He came by about 3 times as the birds were trying to come in, so I think it's Wednesday or Tuesday or Wednesday. You can see that it took quite a while for the birds to come in. But anyway, we want to do a little walkthrough so you can see the birds. Let me turn this around. As you can see, they're mostly all molting out. I've got a few here. There's one right there with a little bit on his neck, still to go. But I do have them. There's another one over there. But for the most part, they're all nice and slicked up. Or almost completely finished with their molt. I do have them locked into this section, so there's still all that loft to go. As soon as I'm done with the video, I'll let them back out so they can have the whole loft to themselves. But anyway, I just do this so we can catch a few birds and it's a little bit easier. I don't have to chase them so far. You go ahead and catch a bird here. This bird is an IF band, VIOC 109. You see you can see his wings all nice and molted out. You can see around his head and neck. Everything's all nice and molted out. Very nice feeling bird. The birds, for the most part, excellent health this year. They're exercising good, they're healthy, they eat good, fly good. Can't wait until next week. Not this coming week, but this coming week we're still going to be loft flying. But then the following week, I think it's the 7th. It starts on the 7th. 6th or 7th is a Monday. That's when we're going to start getting them down the road. We got one more week of good loft flying before they'll be ready to go down the road. We're going to catch another one. Alright, this is Blue Bar, Chicago, 9846. 9846 Chicago. Anyway, you can see his or her wing molted out, 9th and 10th all the way in, looking good. Same with this side here. They're all messed up trying to catch her. But you can see all molted out around the neck, all nice and smooth. Another great looking bird. Let me catch. Nice, pretty. Okay, here's a pretty one. This is ARPU 18615. 18615. ARPU. Nice molted. This one's cleaned up on the neck. It looks like it's still molten, but it's a lot of white feathers in the neck. This one looks like it's eighth flight is still coming in, but the 9th and 10th are all the way in. Another great feeling bird. But as you can see, the birds are looking really good. And like I said, they exercise great. They are routing good. The health of them is outstanding this year. We've done a couple things differently, and it's really worked out. Our numbers are really up compared to last year. As far as percentages still around. And we'll see, we'll keep hold that up while we go to start going down the road. We're gonna be cautious. We're gonna, take our time, not rush it. We'd like to get a lot of birds to that first race and then continue getting them home and have lots of birds come home from the final race. This will open up the door here. Let the birds go down. Anyway, that's what's going on here at the Longhorn Classic. Everybody have a great day. Enjoy some football today. Have a few beers. Go to church first. Anyway, everybody have a great weekend, and we will talk to you soon.